Photonic Wave Energetics Report. For full lunar eclipse, 1-20/21-2019 and beyond. For your consideration. Heads held high, my fellow pilgrims on this ascension journey. Looks like a large photonic pulse wave coming in for our upliftment. Okay. Stay hydrated with structured water and get plenty of rest. I'd say just stay in bed like I am going to do. Also get yourselves some adaptogenic herbs, colloidal trace minerals with nano-silver, vitamin C, immune-boosting mushrooms, cracked cell wall chlorella, spirulina, raw zinc, etc. Anything that boosts your immune systems, oxygenates your cells, and helps RNA reignite your dormant DNA. These higher frequency energies, scalar waves, gamma rays, adamantine particles, etc., can put stress on our endocrine and nervous systems. All of us that are awakening now usually have some sort of ascension symptoms, which is a good thing. This means you're in it and you are starting to embody a higher frequency of yourself. This means that we can absorb more energy/light into our avatars, biological and light bodies. This means we are heading into a fourth density and closer to our fifth dimensional consciousness. 1. The Tomsk Space Observing System Schumann resonances, data from 224 stations around the world, is about 14.5 hours from Pacific Standard Time when they put the data out. http://sosrff.tsu.ru/?page_id=7. 2. Heart Math Institute GCMS Magnetometer Schumann resonances, data from 6 stations around the world. https://www.heartmath.org/xi/gcms/livedata/gcms magnetometer/. 3. NOAA's Real-Time Solar Wind Magnetic Field and Solar Wind, SWIPAM. https://www.swpc.noaa.gov/products/ACE Real-Time Solar Wind. 4. GFZ Germany. https://www.gfzpotsdam.de/n/kpindex/. 5. ISGI France. http://isgi.unistra.fr. Consider this, so Gaia's global crystalline electric circuit and Earth's electromagnetic field flow through our own biofield physiology, causing transmutation depending upon the frequency, Schumann resonances. Think in terms of cymatics. So each of us resonate at different levels, different auras, different biofields, different energetics, and the photonic waves coming in affect Gaia's electromagnetic field, morphogenetic field, and each of us differently as well. Which means some of us feel these and some of us do not, depending upon our consciousness and vibration. There is massive purging and clearing of the older darker duality energies on all levels. Gaia and us. We are in the ascension process, which is a transmutational process, morphogenesis, in this larger ascension cycle. So please don't have fear based upon old social conditioning, cultural transference, or belief systems. You're in good hands and right where you're supposed to be. More holistic health inspiration, support, and information on my YouTube channel. This is why most of us are here, to hold more light. This is how darkness comes to the surface. Blessings everyone. Stay hydrated my friends. We are sovereign, we are free.